From budget boom to pro-level sound, why Sennheiser MKE 600 beats expensive shotguns. Ever felt like your camera's tinny mic turns killer footage into whispery woes, muddling lines with wind whooshes, and side chatter that kills the clip's punch? That stalled shot when rumble ruins reveals, leaving you looping edits and futile fixes. It's a filmmaker's foggy frustration, especially with flimsy mounts flailing on booms. Imagine a dock shooter chasing street tails, only to scrap audio amid urban din. If this sound snag strikes, share your mic mishap in the comments. Let's boom into Sennheiser MKE 600 clarity that cuts the crap. Marathon edits escalate the mayhem, dread from dingy dubs and dialogue drifts driving despair where every rumble ripple rips your reel. Picture vloggers vexed by sheet gusts SNS shield, mulling if shotgun saviors are smoke amid phantom fumbles and battery blues. But envision wielding wins with whisper quiet wins minus more muddle. An indie director despaired over dockside drone drowning deeds, yet a directional dawn dawns with deft dominion. If off-axis oafs or low-cut lash you, Sennheiser MKE 600 might mic your mastery. Behold the Sennheiser MKE 600, your shotgun sonic sentinel, with supercardioid focus forging frontal fidelity amid lobes of off-reject, evoking an entrancing echo of voices vaulting intuitively like veiled veils parting in hush. Grip the rugged metal tube, cool and compact at 10 inches, as the integrated grill's foam filters feathery breaths, mingling metal's matte might with the click of low-cut's 100 Hz sweep. Essential key features include supercardioid and lober pattern for tight highs, 21 dBA ultra-low self-noise for pristine quiets, 132 decibel SPL tolerance for loud locales, AA battery or phantom dual power for 150-hour hauls, XLR output with 3.5mm TRS camera cable, lightweight 4.5-ounce frame for boom ease, structure-borne rumble shield, mild presence lift for airy dialogues, included shock mount, windshield, cable and cloth bundle, 2-year warranty for field fortitude. Here's one way it redeemed a run-in gunner's gale. Battered by beach blasts blurring bride vows, its windshield warded whooshes while low-noise locked lips, layering crystal calms over crashing crests and reviving that raw, heart-hitting harmony of unmarred moments. For YouTubers, the XLR's plug-and-pray pairs with any rig, wittily wounding wallet drainer's waist. Lightly controversial? It exposes why you banked on buzzkill cans when this tank-tough titan tames tempests. Stay synced for a bonus tip. Angle 45 degrees for indoor intimacy. Comment boom if you boom for that beam. Efficiency soars with Sennheiser MKE 600's directional dance, sharpening shoots into seamless symphonies where supercardioid sweeps, snag stellar solos, SNS side static sting. Feel the featherweight form feather your pole, intuiting that innate nudge to notch nearer amid grill's gentle guard whispering wind wards. Pros at Microphone Geeks hail its epic frequency curve rivaling pricier pros for short-range supremacy, while influencers ignite. A film vlogger quipped, battery bliss beats boomboxes, 150 hours of hush-free hustle. Analysts affirm its creator conquest, noting bundles bolt-on basics blitz barriers, as a user raved. Sliced post scrubs, dialogue dazzles direct. See why thousands trumpet this mic marvel? A Sweetwater shooter shared, lightweight legend. Crystal clears crushes camera crap. Why wallow in windy wastes when shock mounts sway and low cuts lure laugh off lumps like bulk? The resonant ring of response tails, the velvet void of noise floors, its visceral vibe. Stir in stories, true audio touts. Priced for handhelds, yet pros pick. Balanced beast for ENG epics. Users unite. Rumble reject rockstar. AA autonomy awes. Influencers in tone. Tight pattern trumps traffic. Bundles boon banishes buys. Experts echo. Value vortex. MKE 600 meshes mobile might with master mixes. Which whim? Phantom-free portability or noise-nixing neck would nail your next? Comment below to cue. Bundle buzz builds on Sennheiser MKE 600. Join journeymen who've juiced jams with its shotgun supremacy As B&H buffs badge it broadcast ready for indie indulgences with off-axis armor. If rumble ravages or wind whips your waves, claim yours quick for the bonus boom angle cheat and unlock effortless L-cut layers. Plunge prompt. Plunge to plunder private polar plots that polish all plots. Comment shot for the super cardioid sorcery. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your tracks today.